You have to slowly make friends. Trust. You're strong. You're a strong little girl. What else can we play with over here? I think you need some new toys. I bet your birthday. Hugs? Huggies? Hug? Hug? What hug? Hug. Climb over. Want to walk? There she goes. See, you're finding out it's easier to walk than to crawl, right? That's cute. How cute.